So today we will be looking at a problem of solving pattern matching using Rabin Karp algorithm. So we will be coding in C++. So firstly we need to create the generator for hash function, which will be the hash function which will be generated for the string or the search pattern. So for finding the hash function of the search pattern, we will iterate through the string or the search pattern, and we will make a weightage in decimal. And for if the given string is abcd, then the procedure will make a hash by this decimal weightage. So the algorithm will be a into 10 to the power 0 plus b into 10 to the power 1 plus c into 10 to the power 2 means 10 square plus d into 10 cube. So like this it will go on and continue till the whole string gets completed, and this will return the hash function in an integer. So after this, what we need to do is we need to make the procedure for counting the occurrences. So we will take the string text, the hash of the string or the combination that need to be searched, and the length of the combination that needs to be searched. So what this will do is it will go through whole of the text, and it will match the hash by slide rolling, and it will count the number of occurrences that has been matched. So for that, what we need to do is, if the count is 0, means for the first iteration we need to uh, okay. So for now we are doing extra simulations by doing cout, since uh, for just simulation purposes, not for debugging purposes, so that it is visualized correctly. So what the first hash will generate is, it will go from 0 to length, and it will make the hash functions for each of the text. And after that, what it will do is, if something matches or doesn't matches, and if it is not the first iteration, then it will just slide or shift it by one position. So now what we are doing is we are just sliding it by one position. So firstly we need to subtract the 0th position power which was calculated, and then we will divide it by 10, and then we have to add the 10th power to the power length minus 1 in the character. So if hash equal to text, we will increment the counter and we will return the counter. So this is the procedure for counting the occurrences. And now we will write the main driver program or the main function. So we will take string and text. So firstly we are taking the text, and then we are taking the string, and we are calculating the hash by passing it to the generate rk hash of this pattern to be searched, and we are displaying the string. So after that, what we are doing is we are passing the hash, the text, and the length of the occurrences to be searched to the count occurrences. And then what we are doing is we are compiling, and we are printing. Before that, we are printing the number of occurrences. So it is compiled correctly, it has been compiled correctly. So we are inputting the text, and we have inputted the search pattern, and there is 10, so this is okay. So let's remove the cout for simulation and just see the number of occurrences in the string. So let's compile it and say it. So let's create an input text, and we will pass it by the unidirectional operator. So the number of occurrences is 5, which is correct. So we will try a few more example. So this is another, the occurrence is 3, so this is correct. So this is it. We can try it for many more example, and I will be uploading this code in the GitHub so you can check it. And write in the comment section how you feel about this pattern matching algorithm, and thanks for watching, and like and subscribe for more. So thanks for your time.